Hello everyone, welcome to Jurisys Academy. Today we are going to talk about CNLU LLM entrance test. But before getting into that, we need to tell you we have made important chapters or revision series 2 videos on jurisprudence and constitution. If you haven't watched those videos and you are going for CLAT PG 2019, go and definitely watch those videos to know what are the chapters you need to revise again for your exam. And also we have made separate videos on IOCL recruitment and ONGC recruitment via CLAT PG 2019, and you are appearing for CLAT PG for PSU only, you definitely need to watch that video. The video links are given below in the description. So let's start with CNLU LLM entrance test. Now first and foremost, let's look into its eligibility criteria. Its eligibility criteria is similar like CLAT. You need to have an undergraduate degree in law, either 3-year program or 5-year program, whichever you belong to. And also the minimum marks, you need to have at least 55% for general category and 50% for SC and ST. Also the students, whoever they are in the final year or semester, they can also appear in the exam. Basically the final semester, they can also appear in the exam. Now let's talk about the vacancies and the fees. Now for CNLU Patna, there are 40 vacancies are there, 20 for general and 20 for reserved. And this reserved 20 seats, this will be provided as per the Bihar Reservation Act 2003, and the fees that you need to pay for your LLM 1-year LLM program, that is 1,50,000 rupees, approx 1,50,000 rupees. Now let's talk about the admission procedure. The application form that is given below in the description, you can go and check it out. You have to just print out the application form, then you have to fill it up, the handwritten, and then you have to draw a demand draft of rupees 2,500 in favor of Registrar Chanakya National Law University Patna, payable at Patna. And for SC or ST, it might be the registration fees might be 2,000 rupees. Kindly check it. Also the details is given below in the description, kindly check that. So you have to just post both the things. One is application form, another one is the demand draft. Both the things attach and send it to the contact address. That is the admission procedure you need to follow. Now let's talk about the entrance exam details. Now entrance exam details is more like similar like CLAT, but there are certain difference to this CNLU exam. The maximum marks is 150, and duration of exam 2 hours 30 minutes that you are going to get for 150 marks. Particular slot is given for the exam like multiple choice question 100 marks, and you will get 90 minutes for that, and for subjective question for 50 marks, and each 10 marks question will be asked, 5 questions will be asked, and basically 60 minutes will be allotted for that. So 90 plus 60, total 150 minutes, 2 hours and 30 minutes you are going to get for your 150 marks question. So basically what are the subjects that you are going to cover for your exam? There are 10 subjects. So in CLAT there are 7 subjects, and in CNLU Patna specifically there are 10 subjects like jurisprudence, constitutional law, law of contracts, law of torts, criminal law, international law, environmental law, human rights, corporate law, and intellectual property law. So you can say the CLAT PG syllabus plus 3 subjects, environmental law, corporate law, and human rights. These 3 subjects are included into the CLAT PG syllabus. Then that will be your CNLU Patna syllabus. Now minimum qualifying marks they have given that 35 marks you need to get at least in the entrance exam to get selected, and for SC/ST it is the 30 marks. Now let's talk about the important dates. Now important dates, last date for the receipt of application with enclosures, the demand draft and the admit card also there, that you need to fill it up by yourself, that you need to send it, and they must have received that enclosures along with the application form within 30th April 2019. So you have the time, can go, and if you want to pursue your LLM in CNLU Patna basically, so you can definitely fill the form. And also date of examination is 19th May, so it's not clashing with CLAT and ULET as well, so you can definitely give the exam. And date of publication of result is on 3rd June 2019, and counseling and admission is on 20th June. So definitely the dates are not clashing. Now let's talk about the subjects and specialization. If you want to pursue your LLM here in CNLU Patna, so what are the specialization that you are going to get here? So there are various specialization that you are going to get here like constitution, administrative law, criminal law, intellectual property law, corporate law, and also international law and human rights law. So all sorts of various streams are available here. If you want to choose one of them, you can definitely choose. And also 3 compulsory subjects that you need to follow in your first semester. It's like research methods and legal writing, and second one is comparative public law, and third one is law and justice in the globalizing world. So these 3 are the compulsory subjects that you need to do in the first semester. These are the things that we needed to talk to you regarding CNLU Patna LLM entrance examination. And as you people know that we are providing subjective answer guide to each and every individual students. So definitely if you want your subjective answer guide, then you can contact us. CLAT PG Preparation Builder program is there. If you haven't signed up for it, kindly go and sign up. It's previous year's question paper analysis and it's free of cost. Kindly go and sign up for it. And also Decoding the Jurisprudence, if you haven't got the book, kindly go get that book. It's book on objectives on jurisprudence, so you can get that book. All India LLM Mock Cloud series, CLAT PG mock book and crash course, all those things are available. If you want to take that, all the links are given below in the description. If you want to take particularly recent judgments capsule, that you can take it, link is given below, and IPR course. So all the links are given below in the description if you want to take, or if you want to check the details, kindly go and get that. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel to stay updated regarding CLAT LLM, UGC NET, SET and judiciary. And don't forget to share this video to your CLAT PG fellow aspirants who are aspiring to be in CNLU Patna next year. Until next time, thank you, see you soon.